Subscribe Sab Brokers. Hi, today we are going to find how to enable tap gesture in Apple Watch Ultra 2 and also go through how it works. Subscribe and click the bell icon. Connect you to the world. For the new Apple Watch Ultra 2, we have to update the software to get tap gesture enable option in settings. Just follow the steps as per the video. In settings, go to the general and you find software update. Let it refresh and make sure it is up to date. In my case, I already updated. Make sure you have to update this Watch OS 10.1. Let's now navigate through settings to find tap gesture. Click through gestures and go to double tap and make sure the toggle is on. When you scroll through double tap, you can find the features of double tap performing. This is for go through Smart Stack. Let's go through how Smart Stack is work. From home of watch face, when you double tap, the stack moves and you can't select through it. Only just the stack moves for each tap. Let's test with camera. I am shooting this video with my iPhone. Let's try to stop the recording with double tap gesture through Apple Watch Ultra 2. Let me double tap to stop the recording. Let's test with voice memos. By double tapping the forefinger and thumb finger, you can record or stop record the voice memos. Hi everyone, subscribe to Sub Brokers. Also play or pause the recordings. Hi everyone, subscribe to Sub Brokers. Let's try with stopwatch. You can start and pause the stopwatch through double tap. Trying with non-working apps. Let's try with weather app, how it works or not works. As you see, the double tap is not working in weather app. Like and share. Danke, choose.